we have revisited the trapezoid carton. So it'll arrive to drops with a glued all to bottom, which makes it easy to snap open. It'll have a large top opening, which will make it easy to top load pods. The closure is a standard tuck style. So it'll insert, and then it comes with a child lock, which tabs into the front. So the front facing will be trapezoidal. We retain some of the trapezoid on the side, but then the back front has this beveled edge, which frankly creates a kind of a nicer experience for the consumer in terms of access to the product. So by beveling this front edge, it presents the opening a little better to the consumer, makes it easier to get your hands in and out. And then again, closure is standard tuck style, and then child lock